Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. Build your life, do it yourself. Hey everyone, so today we're going to be making easy tortilla pizzas, so if you're interested, please keep watching. So the things you're going to need will be some Italian seasoning or pizza seasoning, some pizza sauce, some shredded mozzarella, and whatever toppings you want to add. You're going to need tortillas. I have the low-carb tortillas, so you can make this a low-carb option. You're also going to need a cupcake or muffin pan. Mine is a silicone pan, which makes it easy to get them out. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the lid from my pizza sauce jar. And I'm going to get some tortillas out. I only use 2 tortillas for mine. So you're going to take the lid and you're going to press it down into your tortilla. You're going to press it down and twist it so you can cut out a circle for your pizzas. So there's that, and you go ahead and just cut as many as you can out of your tortilla. I got 6 out of mine. Also, if you have a pizza sauce can instead, you can just use the can as well to use as a cookie cutter or as a cutter. Okay, so there is all of my little pizza circles all cut out. So you need to get your cupcake pan, and you put one little circle in each little cupcake hole. Mine holds 12, which is how many circles that I have. So it just works out perfectly for mine. Obviously, if you want to make more, you can make more. And if you have a bigger cupcake pan, that would work well. Okay, so now I have all this in there. The next thing is to add your pizza sauce. You don't need a lot on these, especially because they're so thin. You don't want to put too much, maybe like a teaspoon. Just fill your sauce on all of your little pizzas. Okay, and then I'm going to add some Italian seasoning, or if you have pizza seasoning, that works as well. I'm just kind of spreading around the sauce to even it out on the little pizzas. Okay, and then I'm going to add my cheese. And again, just don't add too much because these are thin tortillas. Let's put a little pinch on each pizza. And if you're adding other toppings after you add your cheese, put your toppings on top. These I made for my kids, but I also made me some, and I added some spinach on mine. Okay, so now they are all covered in their cheese and toppings. Okay, so now my pizzas are ready for the oven. I'm going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes until the cheese is all melted. And here they are, fresh out of the oven. It looks so good and tasty. So I'm going to go ahead and just take them out of the muffin pan. I'm going to use a spoon. I have the silicone pan, so the spoon works well for me. Just go ahead and scoop it out. And there's my little pizza. It looks so cute. These are perfect for appetizers or for the kids, or just little tiny, perfect size for kids. They're really quick and easy, just a little bit of a twist on a regular pizza. And like I said, if you want to do the low carb option and use low carb wraps, you can do that as well. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. I hope you try it out and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care.